Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an exciting game called Breakout, or Brick Breaker, using Python and Pygame. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool and simple game in Python called Catch the Ball. It's a game where you control a basket and try to catch as many falling balls as possible within a limited time. The more balls you catch, the higher your score goes. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future coding tutorials. If you love learning Python and creating fun projects, you're in the right place. So, without further ado, let's get started and catch some balls. Let's jump right into the code.